How to use Metasploit quick and easy tutorial 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use Metasploit in the easiest way possible. It is basically a great framework on the Web3 platform, and basically you can use it to design apps and design much more different things. It's in the IDE network and you can use it to create anything you want. It works around Python, it's on GitHub, and it's totally verified, totally secure, totally safe, and it obviously revolves around coding. So do make sure that you know coding before getting into this video. So yeah, now that you have the main overview of what we're gonna do today, just make sure to sit back, relax, and listen to all the details and informations and instructions I have to give you, and watch this video till the end just to understand fully what's actually going on. So without further ado, just sit back, relax, and I guarantee you by the end of this video you're going to properly know how to use Metasploit. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's go ahead and search Metasploit. So if we come here, we can see Metasploit is a penetration testing software. It's basically a computer program or a computer security project that provides information about security, vulnerabilities, and aids in penetration testing and ID signature developments. If we come here, what is Metasploit used for? It allows testers to scan systems for vulnerabilities, conduct network reconnaissance, launch exploits, and more. Exploit modules allow testers to target a specific known vulnerability. Metasploit has a large number of exploit modules, including buffer overflow and SQL injection exploits. You can also check other things. What is Metasploit in Python? It is one of the most famous frameworks to those dedicated to computer security and more specifically to the exploitation of vulnerabilities. One of the characteristics that make it robust and flexible is the possibility of creating exploits and modules. Now, you can also crack things using Metasploit. Which language is used in Metasploit? Obviously, it's written in the Ruby language, but you can also use it with the Python language. And it's very simple and it's very easy. So, basically, now that you know the basic overview of how Metasploit works, we're going to get into their main website and talk more about it. So here is Metasploit, the world's most used penetration testing framework. Knowledge is power, especially when it's shared. A collaboration between open source community and Rapid7. Metasploit helps security teams to do more than just verify vulnerabilities, manage security assessments, and improve security awareness. It empowers and arms defenders to always stay one step or even two ahead of the game. Now, you can check the recent blog posts where you can see all the different things they've done. You can go on the Metasploit main channel and see their demo of Metasploit. You can see related products to it if you want to get into those. But yeah, those are the main basics of Metasploit. Now, if you go on Metasploit Get Started, it says follow these steps to success with Metasploit framework. Looking to get started with Metasploit Pro. If you don't want Pro, you can get it. Pro is also a great way to get started, but I just recommend using the free one in the start. Download. Start by downloading one of their installers or get the full source code. Then all you need to do once you've downloaded it, you're going to install it. And once you've installed it, you're going to learn it by using it. Once you've learned it, you're going to contribute by joining their vibrant Metasploit community and help them write their modules, docs, and more. And then obviously get help in the end. Now, if we were to contribute, we're going to check here, contribute to Metasploit. Contributions from the open source community are the source or soul of Metasploit. From exploit modules to documentation, learn how you can contribute and say thanks to the folks who have helped you come this far. You can also get involved by building modules, fixing bugs, providing docs, and if you have any issues, you can contact them. But yeah, in main retrospect, you need to obviously just download it and then install it. Now, obviously, to get into great detail, there are different Metasploit because it revolves around Python. So you are going to need to know how Python works and what the basics of Python are. And for that, you can obviously go on Slack, GitHub, Twitter, or their Mastodon, because over there they have their forums and channels where more people in the Metasploit community actually revolve around, and they're over there. So all you need to do is you're going to go there and discuss with them how to start up, or you can just come up here and you're going to write Metasploit Python, and I'm just going to write this Metasploit Python, and obviously there are different Metasploit documentation Python modules. So here are different writing Python modules with the execution lines. There are different Python libraries that you're going to need to add in the Metasploit module. You're going to have to describe yourself with, obviously, all you need to do is just copy these codes. You don't really need to type a whole code, but you do need to know how coding actually works. Like, obviously, you can copy and paste this, but you do need to know where to enter or how to manipulate any information that you see over here. Because obviously, if you don't know code, then there's really no use for you to use Metasploit, because obviously the whole language revolves around Python. And once you're done with over here, you're going to go to module type. As shown in the metadata template information, a type is also include for the module. Basically, include is when you're trying to include a library. A module type is used to select an ERB template, which generates a Ruby document for the module. The ERB templates can be found here. The following templates are currently available. You can use any single one of these templates in a single line, and you can put them as the module type. You can include them, or you can just write type. Then there's also the options dictionary in the metadata, obviously, because the whole librarian dictionaries work around all these little codes. Then there's the communication module to pass the metadata information as well as the starting function of your Python module to MSF console. Use the module.run function. The module.run function takes two arguments. The first is the metadata and the second is the callback function to use when executing the module from MSF console. The code snippet will look like this. So basically, they're defining the run and the arguments. You're going to put your code here, as you can see. Then basically this hashtag here is to just give you an instruction. And then if name is this, then the module will run this. Now, obviously, this is an if iteration. And as I said, you're going to need to properly know how a code actually works. Now, this is the module log handler setup function, and it is used to create a handler and formatter that will call the module log with the appropriate log level. The full example is right here, and obviously you can copy and paste this in your Metasploit document or the program that you downloaded, and you can add different coding styles because all the Python code in Metasploit aims to be PEP 8 compliant. The biggest differences coming from Metasploit to Ruby style are 2 lines between functions, 2 lines between different types of codes, 4 space of indenting, and much more. So basically, if you want basics, you're just going to come to these docs and these forums, and this is where you're going to get all your information regarding Metasploit and how you can use it using Python. So yeah, those are the basics of how you can use Metasploit to basically create your program or maybe check in the vulnerability or match up with your security. So yeah, that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know and I will make more for you. And if you have any queries related to this video, please let me know down in the comments below and I will get back to you straight away. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.